Hey guys, we're Team 18, aka the Fantastic Five. I'm Jordan.
I'm Leah.
I'm Thea.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Eugenia.
And this semester we had two different projects. Our first one we started with Laurie Simmons, where we learned about the proper disposal of ink cartridges and we made an infographic about it. Then later on, we switched to a project where we started cleaning up trash to help out our local community.
Stay tuned.
We started the semester working with the Assistant Campus Sustainability Manager, Laurie Simmons. Laurie recruited us to help her promote the use of ink cartridge recycling bins. UMass just recently received these bins, which are meant to help reduce ink cartridge waste on campus. Ink cartridges are composed of toxic materials, and when thrown into regular garbage dumps and recycling bins, they can easily contaminate the groundwater and soil of the area they are disposed of. There are currently 1 million ink cartridges improperly disposed of in landfills worldwide per day. To put that into perspective, imagine each person in Boston throwing away an ink cartridge improperly. After that, almost half the people in Boston realize they have another one to throw away and throw out a second one as well.
Hey guys!
It's us, and we're just gonna be picking up some trash.
Gloves on, bag on. Out by Frank today picking up trash.
After our work with Laurie was discontinued, we began to clean up the campus. We did this as an independent project, and it was a great way for us to reflect on how the campus is treated by its community and really engage ourselves in our work. Our work was important to us because not only are we respecting our environment, but we are also respecting the history that it holds. We acknowledge that the land we are working on is on the unceded homelands of the Pecumtuck Nation, on the land of the Norwalk community. We begin with gratitude for nearby waters and lands. We recognize these lands and waters as important relations with which we are all interconnected and depend on to sustain life and well-being. We believe that civic engagement is work that promotes health and quality of life in a community. We think that any work to support your local community counts as civic engagement. We also think that it's important for people to know that they can contribute to their community in small ways. You don't always have to contribute days of your life to a cause to make a difference. Whether you are cleaning campus or promoting awareness of causes, civic engagement helps educate others and sustain a healthy environment for all. We think that a lot of civic engagement efforts are taken for granted, and this project was a great way of reflecting on how much civic engagement has provided for our community. We are happy with our work and glad that we were able to contribute to something on campus.
Alright, here's our update. Almost a full trash bag after a long while of work. Can't really see the inside, but that's how it looks. And yeah, good day.